Hey everyone, Jose here from Rivian Tracker. Today's video, I'm going to show you how to purchase the performance upgrade for your Rivian R1T or R1S Dual Large or Dual Max. Rivian offers this $5,000 performance upgrade package, which you can use either cash to buy or you can use referral points. And so please ignore this spot. I just cleaned it. It was dirty. It's bothering me, but I know it's good. Somebody's going to comment on it. Anyways, so let me talk to you about what this performance upgrade is. We're going to go ahead and purchase it. We're going to go through the whole process here and see what it looks like. And then, yeah, we'll go from there. So stay tuned. Right, so Rivian offers this $5,000 performance upgrade package. $5,000 is a lot of money, you guys. I understand that, and a lot of people will probably purchase this when they buy the vehicle initially. And actually, as a matter of fact, a lot of the offers that Rivian has had, incentives the last few months, have specifically been for R1 dual motor with the performance package. And so a lot of that times, that price is kind of baked in there, or Rivian saying, hey, you get $5,000 off, but it includes the performance package. So in theory, you're kind of getting it for free. Anyways, so everything is done through the mobile app to purchase. Now, what does the performance upgrade include? Well, it unlocks 3 new drive modes: sport mode, soft sand mode, and rally mode. Okay, so you get those 3 additional drive modes, which join all-purpose, snow, and all-terrain. You also get increased horsepower up to 665 horsepower. You also get increased torque, 829 pound-feet of torque, as well as a quicker 0 to 60, 3.4 seconds versus the typical 4.5 for an R1S dual motor vehicle. So all of that you get for $5,000. Additionally, really not mentioned here is you also unlock the lowest ride height setting. You see right now with the Rivian, if you don't have the performance package, if you have any of the dual variants, you don't get the lowest. You get standard, high, highest, and then low, but no lowest. And so lowest is one where it drops the lowest, right? That typically only comes with sports package, so you won't see that unless you get the performance upgrade. So I'm going to flip the camera around and walk you through the whole process of how this works. All right, so here we are with Hedwig, our R1S Dual Large. And right now, as you can see, there's no specific anything, right? It's just standard dual motor, all-wheel drive, large pack in white, ocean coast interior, and that's it, nothing else. Now, typically, you would think that you could maybe purchase the upgrade here in the vehicle, right, when you went to upgrades, but as a matter of fact, you can't. You have to do it on the mobile app. So, what we're going to do is I'm going to come over here to my iPad where we do have the app open, and I apologize for the glare. The sun is just terrible. Hey, that kind of helps a little bit. Okay, so here it is. So let's back up and let me show you what this looks like. So I've opened the app. You see the vehicles here. If you click on your initials on the top left corner, there's a button here that says Manage Account. And if you scroll down, there's an option that says Upgrades. So if you click on Upgrades, this will now, if you have multiple vehicles, it will show you your various vehicles here. But pretty much you're going to see your Connect Plus subscription if you have it. And then you have an option that says Available Performance Upgrade. And if you click on that, you will see here Performance Upgrade. And that pretty much unlocks exactly what I told you earlier. So a quicker 0 to 60, more torque, more horsepower, plus these 3 additional drive modes. One-time purchase, $5,000. Upgrade is for this vehicle only. So if you tap on one-time purchase, it's going to show you your credit card information, but I'm not going to use credit card. I'm going to use points. So I'm going to hit Apply Points. And now that is going to be a total of $0. And I'm going to say, hey, I understand that this payment is non-refundable. I'm going to hit Buy Now. And we wait patiently. Perfect. your purchase is complete, you'll see the upgrade in your vehicle. You can find your receipt in the account. And it says how to activate. The upgrade will be ready to install within 24 hours. Go to settings, updates in your vehicles to install the upgrade. So if we come back over here and we go to vehicle and we go to updates, there it is, performance upgrade. Oops. One-time installation. Before installing, park your vehicle, unplug from any chargers. So I'm going to go ahead and click install now. It's going to tell you your vehicle will be unusable for 5 minutes. Typical, similar to what you would see when you do a software update. I'm going to click OK, I'm ready. It's going to give you a countdown. I'm going to click start now. And now it is preparing the update. And I'll come back when it's done. All right, and just like that, the upgrade is done. It took about 5 minutes, as it said. And now we get this prompt that says, enjoy your performance upgrade. And if I click let's go, we get extra power, extra potential. Pretty much exactly what we said earlier. And 3 new drive modes. Boom. So now if we go to settings, and once that comes up, if we go to about, scroll on down here, you're going to see now lifetime upgrades, performance upgrade unlocked. Okay. That also means if we go into drive modes, we now have sport mode, snow mode, and then these new toggles up here, similar to what you're probably used to. You get on-road, off-road. So if we tap sport, it will lower the ride height as expected. It's lowering it there. And then now we can also go lowest, which is also something we couldn't do before. So that's really cool. We unlocked that. We also get, if we go into off-road mode, soft sand mode, which is a lot of fun when in soft sand, as well as rally mode. And then just your typical all-terrain mode as well. And then we can go back to on-road, and then all-terrain, sport. So that's really cool. We got that now there. And then on the app, it will show you as well the same thing with performance. So that's really cool. And that's it. That is the performance upgrade, how that works. It's really cool, really fast, really easy. Rivian definitely made it easy to spend $5,000 or 5,000 referral points, if you have that, on purchasing this upgrade. And the question I think comes next is it really worth it? And that really depends on the person. I have found myself that my wife and I drive the R1S a lot. I love my Tri-T, but we also drive the R1S a lot. And sometimes I need that extra oomph of power, and it's just not there sometimes with the Dual. And so I'm hoping that this will help with that a little bit. But also, it's just fun. You know, why not? You know, it was for making this little video for you guys. It was worth doing that. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know in the comments, do you think it's worth getting the performance upgrade? Do you think it's worth $5,000? Did you get it? If you have a dual motor R1T or R1S, let me know down below. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Oh, she fast. That was worth it.